Hi guys, this is Aice Lab. Today I'm introducing Intellyfish. It's our new price comparison extension for Google Chrome. It's a pretty sweet app that can help you if you're a dropshipper or simply looking to make a good deal. In this video I show you how to find profitable items to dropship from Amazon to eBay. If you stick until the end, you will also have learned how to spy on your competition. So let's get started. First, I go to an Amazon bestseller list and pick a random product from any category. Then I search for the same product on eBay using the product title. If you don't find it on eBay right away, just try a different product from the Amazon bestseller list. Here I have selected a water boiler. I filter the eBay results for new buy it now items. In this example, we only want to look at sold listings. If you want to look at more results to identify other dropshipper, just skip this part. Then I click on the jellyfish icon in the top right corner of my browser to start the Intellyfish price comparison. As you can see, it begins populating the eBay search results with Amazon information. First, we look at the price the item is sold for on Amazon. Then the percentage price difference, that is by how much the Amazon price is cheaper than the one for this listing, including shipping fees of the eBay seller. The blue P symbol indicates that it's an Amazon Prime item. And finally, there is the aice, Amazon's unique identifier. By clicking on it, it is copied to the clipboard and can be easily pasted into your list. I will scan over the results and focus only on listings with a price difference of about 20%. I open the interesting listings in a new tab. Now we are looking at the selected item. Intellyfish also runs on this page and shows us the same information as before. But we want to see more, so we click on the seller's other items. Now we have a whole lot of products that might also be cheaper on Amazon. We filter again to only look at the sold items. We click on the Intellyfish app icon and it populates again with Amazon prices. And as you can see, all those items are at least 20 to 30% cheaper on Amazon. So these findings are really good opportunities for dropshipping. Now I take a closer look at one of the items. As you can see, he sold one unit in the last 24 hours. And we can simply click on the Amazon price to open the product page on Amazon. We can confirm that the price is £14.99 and that it's a Prime item. Of course, this was just a glimpse of all the dropshipping opportunities that are out there, which you can easily discover with this app. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please leave a thumbs up. If you would like to use the app, you can find it in the Chrome Web Store or just use the link below the video. Goodbye.